South community garden, and we're gonna see what I got growing on. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are walking down the row of community garden beds, and so here are 3 of my beds that I am working on. So I'll kind of show you what I got going on in here. I've got lots of nice little strawberries, and I have some parsley. I've got some celery. I've got some oregano growing on down here, lots of celery. Of course we need some marigolds to attract those beneficials. We've got some purple broccoli. This is actually a purple, I'm sorry, that's a purple cabbage. This is a purple broccoli. Of course we need chives. Got lots of little lettuces here. As you can see, I'm still pulling out things from last year, and I got junk everywhere, so please excuse the mess. These peppers here are my ghost peppers. So these are looking really nice so far. That one's just about ready to be topped, so I'll probably do that in the next few days. Yeah, and they're all looking pretty good so far. We've got, these were my yellow of Parma onions. What's left of them. I mean, a few of them are looking okay, but a lot of them are just, I mean, maybe they'll make it, but I doubt it. So I'll probably have a few onions right there. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, we've got potatoes. So those are looking pretty good. I planted some peanuts in here. You guys can see right there is a peanut plant. But they don't look too great, so I'm not sure what's going on there. I guess we'll see. This peanut plant looks a lot better. We've got some line of kohlrabi here, some pak choi, some more purple broccoli, more lettuce. These peppers are my long hots, which actually, if you look at them, the bottom leaves are looking a little yellow, so I'm going to go ahead and fertilize these with some Epsom salts. Okay, then I also have a couple little containers in here. I have this one, which this is the basil that was the from AliExpress, that was not the banana seeds. Okay, so it doesn't look great, but it's coming out now, so we'll see. I kind of let it get a little too cold. I left it out a couple of nights when it got pretty cold, and basil does not like the cold weather. Okay, we've got some thyme. That's actually looking really nice so far. We've got our leeks. Our leeks are doing well. Okay, then here, this row, we have 3 black brandywines right here. 1, 2, and 3. And then the next 3 are the green sausage tomato. So I'm really excited to see how those come out. So then I have a couple of peppers here. These are looking really good. These ones are the Sugar Rush Peach, so I'm really looking forward to these, and I'll give you guys a special update on these specifically throughout the growing season. Back over here, actually, I almost forgot, we've got the little naranjilla, and that's looking great. We've got some anise hyssop, and we've got a huge rhubarb plant that's looking absolutely beautiful. I've already had to pull off like 4 flowers off of it. We've got some Swiss chard, more peppers, more purple broccoli. We've got some rainbow carrots down here that I had actually forgotten that I had planted, and they just happened to come up. So we're gonna let them grow. Here I gotta weed a little bit, but I've got a couple of cool things. This is salsify. Okay, so if you've never tried salsify, you'll probably have to grow it yourself, because I've never seen it in the store before, but it looks kind of like a parsnip or a carrot, smaller, but it's very, very good. It's so tasty. I love it. I've got some amaranth growing in here, some more strawberries. I just planted some lemon balm back here. My poor artichoke, look at it. That's what it looks like it's been eaten to death. So I can't see any bugs on it, but what I've done is I've sprayed it down with neem oil pretty well, and so hopefully that's going to help the problem. More marigolds. And then let's see what we have in the other beds over here. So we've got a bunch of garlic with some lettuces mixed in here. All of these tomatoes are the black Brandywine tomatoes. So these are these are the black vernissage tomatoes. So these are a smaller tomato. We've got all of our peas. You can see they're standing really well. They're getting pretty tall. And here's more of our yellow Parma onions, and these guys are looking a lot better than the other ones, a lot healthier, so I'm happy with that. We've got a couple of eggplants in here, some more peppers. I had just put in this red Russian kale, so it doesn't look too happy right now, a little droopy. We got some cilantro. See over here, so I'm starting to make this Teepee Trellis, which of course I only have the cross braces on the bottom, but they'll go up, you know, every 10 inches to a foot or so and have another layer on there, so that everything in here can, well, a bunch of stuff in here can climb up. Because if you look right here, this is a Luffa Gourd, and there's also one right here. I've got a Vani Ling melon here, another melon there. I've got cucumbers over on that side, and then I've got a couple hammy melons over here, which are looking really good. So they're all going to climb up on the trellis, and then underneath them I've got, this is just like a beet mix, more carrots. So these carrots are looking pretty nice. The turnips are looking really good. I ended up having to spray them down, but as I'm looking now, I see I'm gonna have to spray them again, because I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but there are little orange bugs climbing around, making holes in it. So we don't want that. We don't want to, you know, if it was a couple of holes, I wouldn't mind. Like, I would eat something honestly like this, but definitely I wouldn't eat something like this. So even though I might not have the greens from these turnips, I'm still going to have the turnips, which is great. And this is actually a rock, which I didn't think was going to come up. And it came up really late, but I'm glad that it's finally coming up. I've got a couple of nasturtiums in the corners. And guys, that's it. That's what we have growing on in the Unity South Community Gardens for right now. We will have a lot more as the season progresses, so make sure that you stay tuned. Alright guys, we are walking home from a long hot day of some hard work in the community garden, and I am ready to take a nap. It is hot and I am tired now. Let me know what you think about some of the things that we got growing on at the community garden. Give me some comments down below to let me know, and I love all of your thumbs up, and make sure that you subscribe and share because that definitely really helps. Alright guys, thanks for watching Kate in the City. See you next time.